In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up international shipping on Shopify. We're going to walk through the exact path in your Shopify admin to make your store available to customers around the world. By the end, you'll have your general shipping profile updated so international destinations are included and your changes saved. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin on a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. From your store's home dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen and open Settings. This is where Shopify keeps the core controls for your business, including payments, taxes, and what we need today shipping. Inside Settings, choose Shipping and Delivery. This page is the control center for how orders leave your store. You'll see your shipping profiles, the zones and regions you serve, and the rates that apply. Profiles let you group products and manage how they ship. Most stores rely primarily on the general profile, which applies to all products unless you've created additional specialized profiles. Open the general profile to set it up or make edits. In this view, you'll see your shipping zones and country or region cards. These cards represent the destinations you ship to, grouped in a way that makes managing them easier. To quickly include all available destinations in a given card, click the three-dot menu on that card and choose the option to select all. This is a fast way to enable international availability without manually checking each country. Depending on how your store is configured, you might see separate regions, a rest of world area, or multiple cards that cover different parts of the globe. Selecting all ensures customers from those locations can proceed through checkout. Before moving on, take a moment to confirm that your selections align with your business plan. Consider transit times, your return policy for international orders, and whether your products face any shipping restrictions abroad. If you charge different rates by region or plan to refine certain destinations later, that's fine. You can always return to this profile and adjust. When you're satisfied, click Save. Wait for the confirmation banner at the top to make sure your changes are applied. If you navigate away without saving, your updates won't go live. A helpful tip is to preview checkout with an international address or use a test scenario to confirm the destination appears as expected. Also, make sure your product weights and package settings are accurate so rates calculate correctly if you're using carrier or rule-based pricing. That's it. Your store is now positioned to accept international orders from the regions you selected. Thanks for watching and happy selling worldwide.